नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्. When we look at the sutra, we were seeing that sthani, nimitta, adesha, three things, right?
Yes.
For nimitta, we have seen Panchami and Saptami sutras. For sthani, we have seen the vritti, but we did not see the sutra. So, I just get this information. For any information, we will have compulsory sutra. Means without vritti, somewhere sutra will be there to connect it, and it will explain the meaning. So for sthani, the sutra is, it is there in Sanya Sutras only, but not in Laghu Kaumudi. Shashti Sthane Yoga. This is the sutra for Sthani. That point you can note down.
Pundaji, what is the number of that sutra?
Yeah, but I have not done. One 49. Shashti Sthane Yoga.
Thank you, Pundaji.
Actually, when we read Ashtadhyayi Sutra Krama, it will be very easy to understand. What is the meaning of the Rosupi? We have seen this, right?
If the ahan is followed by not supratyaya, then the na will be replaced by rakara by alontasya.
By?
Alontasya.
By Rosupi.
By Rosupi.
Rosupi means that na will be replaced, last letter.
Na will be replaced by Rakara, but the Sthani Nirdesha will be done by Alontasya. Here, this ahan is the pada or not? It is avyaya. Can avyaya be the pada?
Yes.
Avyaya is the pada. Otherwise, apadam naprayunjeta. So we cannot use the we cannot use the apada. If it is not pada, then we cannot use. So avyaya is also pada. To avyaya, we add supratyaya and that supratyaya gets negated. Then it will remain as avyaya only. But it is pada. Padanta refa is there. Why it is not getting ukara when it is followed by hash pratyahara? What is the hash pratyahara sutra meaning?
Are you talking about Hashicha, Purnaji?
Sorry, Ashija.
Okay. So there, akara followed by rukara followed by hash. Then the rukara gets replaced by ukara. In this case, it is not followed by hash because gakara is not part of hash, is it? It's only three.
It is part of hashna.
It's only three vargas in hash and hayava.
Hayavara, Sheshasa.
Yeah, but here it is rakara is followed by gakara, right?
Jabagadadash.
Jabagadadash is there. So.
Oh, ga. Okay.
Ha.
Sorry.
Javagardash. So it belongs to hash pratyahara. Anybody?
This rule is specific to ahan, aha. Ahan. So there is an exception to ashicha.
Anybody?
So Rutva Prakarana, even though this is 8.2, so it's in the Purvatra Siddham, right?
This is
So
Tripadi.
this Tripadi, it is not part of Sapada Sapta. So it looks like even though Hashicha is before that in the Tripadi, it is visible. It seems like an exception to the Purvatra Asiddham rule here.
No. Purvatra Siddham won't apply here. Not. Okay. Here we have to notice one point is in Ashicha Roho Uhu Syat. This should be Rukara. Which Rukara? Anunasika Rukara. If you remember, this should be Rutva, not Repa. If you remember, in I think somewhere I mentioned Shuddha Repa and
Ro.
Ro Repa.
Yeah, I think it is in Hal Sandhi.
It could be somewhere.
So here, Ro is actually Raha.
In Hal Sandhi, I think, Purnaji, not in
Okay. You are remember, right? We can keep that as it. So now Rutva in Hashicha, Rukara will change into Ukara. Here this is not Rukara, right? It is Nakara replaced by Rakara. But it is not Ru. In Rama, when we do Rama plus Su, what happens here?
Sakara. Yeah, Rama.
Sakara will be replaced by
Rukara.
Rukara. Saso Jusho Ru. This Rukara is Shuddha Rukara or Shuddha Repa. So this is different. This is different. This is only Repa. this is not rukara here. That's why we in this rutva we have to remember these things. So that's why here hashicha will not apply. That's why ahar ganaha, repa will remain repa only. In that also I explained one example. Pratar namami, something like that. So the repa will not change into visarga, repa will not change into ukara. Repa will remain repa only. Ahar ganaha.
So this is not part of Rutva actually then.
A prakarana is Rutva prakarana only.
Oh,
Within Rutva prakarana, Ru Adesha is different, Refa Adesha is different.
okay. Thank you.
That's why in Hashicha, Roho Uhu Syat, they have given. Here, Refa Adesha, direct they have said Refa Adesha. They did not say Roho. Next, Rori, Rori. Repasya repe pare lopaha. This ro is raha. Raha becomes ro. By which sutra?
Karavasanayor Visarjaniya.
How Karavasanayor Visarjaniyaha okara comes?
Oh, Atororapluta adapluta.
What is the nimitta for that?
Apluta at.
Apluta at. Apluta, even if we keep, at is the nimitta. Here, what is the nimitta?
Refa.
Repa is the nimitta. After repa, ikara is there. Can apluta, atoro apluta, apluta will work here?
No.
No. No.
No. But
Then,
Hashita should work, right?
Parisheshnyayana, there are only two sutras. Atoro apluta, apluta, hashicha. So hashicha will work. How hashicha will work here?
Hayavarat, so Ra is there. That way.
That raha is there, na? Raha means before we change into visarga, it was ru. Then that rukara will change into okara in the same way, like here. So this raha is shashti vibhakti ekavachanam. Refasya refe pare. This re is saptami. Refasya refe pare sati lopaha syat. After refa, if there is refa, then this refa will get lopa. Because it is stani, so that stani will get lopa. Example is ra is there. Ra is there. Then this first one will get lopa. Example is given in the next sutra. Because it is connected with the next sutra. Punar Ramate is there. This Refa is following another Refa. Then this Refa will get Lopa. What will remain? Puna Ramate. This is the meaning of this sutra. It is so simple. This is Rory. Another sutra is, it is not given in the Laghu, but it is required for the next sutra. Dodhe Lopaha. This is Rory. Refasya Repaha Pare Sati Lopaha Syat. Dhakarasya Dhakare Pare Sati Lopaha Syat. This is the same vritti we can use here also. After Dakara, if there is another Dakara, then this Dakara will get Lopa. These sutras are so simple and applications also very simple.
Punaji, so the form for that, the final form for Puna, it is just Puna Ramate?
No. Final form, we need another sutra. In this sutra, this is the, up to this is the step. We will go to next sutra, then we will make the form. Now onwards, what happens is, in each sutra, we can make only one step. To make one form, we need around 10 sutras. So now, very soon, we are going to enter into Subanta. Minimum 10 sutras for each form. Like Rama Shabda, Ramaha. How many sutras are there? Like that. Dha. So this previous Dakara will get Lopa. In this Rory Sutra, previous Rakara, when it is followed by Rakara, then previous Rakara will get Lopa. Dode Lopaha, Dakara, when it is followed by Dakara, previous Dakara will get Lopa. Now we will go to next Sutra. Dralope Purvasya Dirghonaha. Dralope Purvasya Dirghonaha. Dralope. Dra means there is no dra. Da and ra. Dakara, rakara yoho. Lope. When dakara and lakara, when they are getting lopa. Purvasya dirgaha anaha. Purva letter. If there is an means, an pratyahara means what? A, I, U. If there are these three letters are there before Dakara and Rakara, they will get Dirgha Adesha. So this vritti is given more clearly. Dha refa yoho lopa nimitta yoho purvasya anaha dirgaha. Here, what is the nimitta in this? Which one is the nimitta?
Refa.
Which refa? Purva
Second.
or para?
Para.
Second. Which one is the nimitta? So when it is said, dha refa yoho lopa nimitta yoho. Here to do this lopa, what is the nimitta? This refa is the nimitta. Here to do lopa, dakara lopa, this is the nimitta. So when it is said, dha refa lopa nimitta yoho means this dakara and this rakara we have to take. Not this one. Dhakara, rakara, lopa nimitta yoho. So this rakara and this dakara to get slopa, the nimitta is this rakara and dakara. Dha refa yoho lopa nimitta yoho purvasya anaha dirgaha. Here let us take the example. Puna ramate. This was the example that we have done in the previous sutra. This refa got lopa here. What is the nimitta? Another refa is the nimitta. This refa is the nimitta. Refa nimitta yoho. The refa nimitta. Refa nimitte pare sati. We can take in that way. Purvasya anaha. Purva is an. Which letter is there? Purva? Akara. Which belongs to an. Which belongs to an. So that an akara will become dirgha. If it is dirgha, then what will happen here?
Puna.
Puna ramate. This will be the final form. Is it clear?
Yes.
Next one is Hari Ramyaha. So they have given for Ikara and Ukara also. Let us see Hari Ramyaha. Sorry, Harihi Ramyaha. We have to take the Harihi Ramyaha. Now what we have to do here? How Hari has formed, that we have to know first. Harihi. Harihi, how it has come?
Supratya.
Supratyaya. Then
Sakara.
by which sutra?
Upadeshe ajananasikait.
Lopa.
Tasya lopaha.
Then what is the next step?
Rukara.
Rukara by which sutra?
Sasajushoru.
Asajushoru.
What will come here?
Rakara.
After that, somebody else.
Can we have Rory applied here? After,
Rory, how Rory will come?
no, if you use Ramyaha along with, or just Rakara, Upadesha Jananasikara, Hari plus Rakara.
So there are two refas, right?
Where two refas are there?
After Ramyaha is applied, then there is two.
After, now what is the step here?
We say Hari plus Ra.
Okay. Hari plus Ra. Then
Oh, you want to get to Hari Hi, right? So Rakara has to become
Visarga.
Your result.
here Rory, why Rory will not work here?
He
is there.
Ending Repa is not there. Ikara is there.
Ah, yes.
Harihi. By which sutra?
Karavasanayor
Karavasanayor Visarjaniya.
Karavasanayor Visarjaniyaha. By that we got this Harihi. When we have Ramya also in front, then we take this form. Harir Ramya. So this, we can use one more step here. Now, which sutra will apply here?
Rory.
Why Hashichan will not work here?
Akara is not there preceding the Raka.
Before this Repa, this Ikara is there. That should be Akara. Then only Hashicha will work. Okay. Rory will come here.
Purnaji, where do we get the Rutva from?
Rutva from here. Sasajushoruhu.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
I just copied from there. Okay. Which one will get Lopa?
The first one.
Then
Dralope Purvasya Dirghona.
Hari Ramya. This Repa Nimitta preceded by Ikara, which is Anpratyahara, then it gets Dirgha. Hari Ramya. Next one is Shambhu Rajate.
Question, Purnaji.
Yes.
So you stopped before forming Hari Hi. So when we get two words, we have to know where to start and where to stop, right?
Actually, not that way. If we want to make Harihi, then we can use Karavasanayor Visarjaniyaha. This method, this form we can do. Now we want to make this form, then we can just do Rutva Adesha. Then from there we can apply the Rory, Dralope, Dirghasya, Dralope, Purvasya, Dirghanaha. That way we can do. I will just copy these two steps also here so that it will not get confused.
Okay, so it depends on the final form.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you.
Because based on the final form, only these sutras have created, na?
Purnaji, in that last one, the Hari should be Hrasva, no? In Hari Ramya.
It should be Dirgha.
Oh,
That is after the sutra.
after the sutra.
Yeah.
This way we can understand. Harihi is there. Harihi Ramya. Now to make the Harihi Ramya, we got Supratyaya, then Rutva Adesha, then Rori, then Ralope Purvasi Dirghanaha. If we don't want a Hari Ramya, if we want a Harihi Ramya, then we can directly do the Karavasana or Visarjaniya. We can apply that way. That's why if we see in Bhashya and Tika, this kind of form will be there. And when we read or if we want to understand, what we will understand is Harihi Ramya. That way we will read and that way we will understand. Right? Is that clear?
So,
Yes.
so if it was Harihi Ramyaha Rajate, then it will become Hari Ramya Rajate.
No, Ramya, Hari Ramya Rajate.
Okay.
Nothing to do with this. This sutra will apply only between these two padas.
Okay. But Ramyaha is also, there's a Ramya plus Su, right? So you can apply the same way.
Ramya plus
Ramyaha is literally Ramya plus Su.
If we apply Ramyaha plus Su, then Ramya Rajate it will become.
Okay. Thanks.
Yes. Okay, any other doubt? Shambhu Rajate. Shambhu Rajate is simple. Shambhu Rajate. Now here, okay, this example you can do. Okay. So, Puna Ramate is clear. Hari Ramya is clear. Shambhu Rajate. Okay, Ramya Visarga is there. I did not use Visarga. Shambhu Rajate, that you can do. Anaha Kim. This question is there. Why only Anaha? Specifically, why only An given? This Trudaha is there. This is Truh Dhatu. Truh is there. Plus which pratyas?
It's Ta Pratyaya.
Tra.
Tavashtu. Nishta Pratyaya.
Then how Dha will come?
Odha.
This Hodaha by this one, Hodaha will come.
Yeah.
But here Dakara, Takara will change into Dakara by Tavarga when it is followed.
Tavarga, yeah.
Okay. So Nishta, Tapratyaya. This hakara will change into dhakara. Here, ta will remain. Trud plus again dhakara. It should be only dakara, not murdhanya dakara.
I think there is a sutra we haven't learnt, which the tha becomes dha, and from dha it becomes da, like that.
Jashas tatordodaha is there. Takara will change into dhakara.
Yes, that one. Jashas tator do dha.
Yes. So we'll just keep dhakara. Jashas tatordodaha. So here we need here dhakara. This dhakara followed by dhakara. Then which one will get lopa?
Dakara. Thrud.
Which dhakara?
Purva dakara.
Punaji, by Chashas Tatur Dhodaha, the takara will become dha, right? And then we have to use Tunashtu.
Yes. Iti bhash bhave datvam.
Yes, it will be shtunashtuhu which will make it.
Yes, yes. But in this sutra, they have given something here. With this sutra only, dhakara will come. Okay, we will just keep it, whichever sutra, but we will get dhakara here. So dhakara is getting.
Sorry, Balaji.
Yes.
Tunashtu, how it would apply there? Because it is not.
No, this is dhakara.
Yeah, it is. If it is dhakara, then Tunashtu will not apply there, no?
Why? Shtunashtuhu tavarga, tavarga followed by tavarga. Then tavarga will change into tavarga.
Okay.
That way. Okay, I'll just mention this.
It's really stoho shtunashtuhu, right? It's an anuvritti of stoho.
Anuvritti of stoho.
Yes,
right.
yes. Anuvritti of stoho. Now here, dakara is getting lopa. But that in that Ashtadhyay they have given directly Takara will change into Dakara by Jashastatur Dodaha. There could be some niyama. So whichever way, for now we need this step. Let us see this step. So this Dakara gets Lopa and this becomes the Nimitta. Why An is given specifically? So we have the form Trud. Trudaha. So after that, this is Tapratyaya. So we will add Supratyaya. Form will become like this. And then Supratyaya will come. Visarga will be there. So Trudaha form is there. But if they don't give An, then what will happen is here Dirgha will come. This Rukara also will change into Dirgha if it is not mentioned unspecifically. Then Trudha, this Trudha, this kind of form will come. But we don't have that kind of form Trudha. We have only Trudaha. That's why they have specifically mentioned Trudha, An. Is it clear?
Wisdom.
So next, Vrudaha is given. So that example you can do. Manas Ratha. Here, we need next sutra. Also, we'll read this. Manas Ratha iti atra rutve krute hashicha iti utve rori iti lopecha prapte. Manas Ratha. This is the situation here we have. Iti atra rutve krute. So, Manas is the Shabda. Here, in the place of Sakara means we have to do the Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Manas is the Pratipadika. Manas is the Pratipadika. And now we are adding Supratyaya. When we add Supratyaya, then Repa will come. Rutva will come. Manas, Ru plus Ratha. In this situation, Manas, Ru, Ratha is the situation. Iti atra Rutve Krute. Rutva we have done. Manas, Ru and Ratha. Hashicha iti Utve. Rori iti Lopecha Prapte. Here, Hashicha and Rori. Which one will work? That is the question. Here, Rukara is there. And after Repa is there. Whether Hashicha will work or Rori will work.
Hashicha should work because there's is before the Manas, right? It is not Hari like Haris. Which we
So there is another explanation for this. Vipratishedhe param karyam. Vipratishedhe param karyam. This is the sutra. Tulya bala virodhe param karyam syat. When there are two choices, two sutras are applicable equally. Then which one we have to do means later sutra, means in the sequence of the Panini sutra krama, whatever is the later sutra, that we have to apply. If we apply that way, lopa, rori will be applicable. But again, purvatra siddham iti, rori iti asya asiddhatvad. Purvatra siddham comes and says, rori is the asiddha because rori is the Tripadi Sutra. So it doesn't seem the karya of Tripadi Sutra. That's why here utvam eva vartate. So the form will be manorathaha. This we will see in the next class. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.